Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce closing delays with title company, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce closing delays with a title company, start by gathering all necessary documentation. Ensure you have your sales contract ready to review. Confirm the buyer and seller information is accurate. Next, check for any outstanding liens or judgments on the property. Contact the title company early in the process. Provide them with details about the property, including the legal description. Ask for a preliminary title report to identify potential issues. Review the report carefully for any red flags. Address any concerns with the title company promptly. Encourage open communication between all parties involved. Schedule a closing date as soon as possible. Ensure that all financial arrangements are in place before closing. Prepare for any required inspections and appraisals ahead of time. Gather any additional documents, such as proof of homeowner's insurance. Confirm that all necessary paperwork will be ready in advance. Consider working with a real estate attorney if needed. Provide clear instructions to all parties about what to expect. Stay organized and keep a checklist of all required tasks. Follow up regularly with the title company during the process. Be proactive about resolving any discrepancies that arise. Lastly, confirm the closing details one more time before the date. By following these steps, you can help minimize delays and ensure a smoother closing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.